Alright guys, welcome to my channel. We're off to go get a surprise for the family, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we're getting close to the thing we're supposed to be picking up. It's not really a surprise to my kids because they already all know, but it's a surprise to all you guys. So hang on tight and we'll be back when we have the item. Alright guys, we're back home. Ready to see what we brought for the kids? There she is, the new family member. Haven't picked out a name yet for her, but she's a rottweiler, pitbull, and a lab.
Kayla just caught here.
Yeah, that's why I started recording to see what Kayla would do. Kayla, look at the puppy. Look at the puppy.
She's mad. She's mad.
You gonna see the puppy?
Come here. Mom, the puppy climbed on me. Oh.
Come here.
She's not going anywhere.
Sit down.
She's sick. Mom, guess what? The puppy climbed on me. It like climb on me, sniffing me.
She's mowing down.
I gave the puppy some food. I gave the puppy some water and food, and it's now.
Kayla loves her.
Yeah, she already got dirty. She took a lot of that. Oh, Dad, she doesn't like the puppy dirty.
Look, kids, give us a thumbs up if you like her. Yeah, they were all excited.
It should be Angel. We break out the door.
Mm-hmm.
Angel.
Yeah, we're trying to think of a name for her, guys. I picked out Angel. A lot of them like it. Maya did Oreo. Catherine did Deaver.
I did Diamond.
And then there was a name Raven that we all picked out too. So
Hold on, and Diamond.
yeah, Diamond too. So we got a few names we're gonna think of, but I think Angel is a good fit for her.
I love her. Nobody. It's a girl.
Oh yeah, yeah, she's still loving it, guys. And Kayla's loving it too. She's enjoying her new home. Huh? What's up, baby?
Angel.
Oh, look, she's got lovin's. Trying to get Jared to meet the new addition. Jared's the master around this household.
No.
It's a puppy.
Yeah, he's already growling, not liking it.
He never likes anybody new. You be nice. You be nice.
Got my hand ready, so if Jared wants to attack. Yeah, Jared don't like any new dogs. He's the master around here.
No.
Until I had my old dog Rex. Rex showed him what's up.
Easy.
Look, he's like, yeah, whatever, I don't care. He's just walking away.
Go doggy.
Go get doggy.
Jared, come over here. Oh, he's gonna pee. Oh, what a good boy.
Oh, now you got to pose for the camera?
No, that's not gonna do it.
I got that one. Hey, come on.
She's like, I'm famous. I got a bunch of people watching me.
Uh-huh. Get it, get it.
Yeah, you bite those fingers. There you go.
Uh-huh.
Trying to grab a hold of it, and she can't because she's so small. Maybe one day when you're bigger.
What did he do it to you?
Hey, that's my hand.
She's like, good.
Look, guys, she's exhausted. She's falling asleep. I don't know. What does the YouTube family think of the new addition of the family, huh?
Angel.
Yeah, guys, I'm thinking about naming her Angel because every time I say Angel, she looks up at me and starts wagging her tail. So I think she picked the name Angel. Such a pretty dog. She's playing with a new toy.
I'm making the dog a toy.
What are you doing, girlie?
Not one of those string things where you go like this. I know. No, it's like a jagger thing. Why is she looking?
Angel.
Hi.
Angel.
Makai, do not sit on the ground. She's my face.
Go get it.
She's scratching her neck.
Oh, she's like, I got an itch. Get it. Get it.
You want a sip?
No, she's like, nope.
I don't want it.
No. Dad, your face stay here. Sorry. It's cold.
Seen how she'll do with the water. Just put it a little bit in. She kept trying to swim in her drinking water.
Dagger. Come here. I'll go.
She's gonna be a little nervous, guys. No, she's like, give me out.
Are you okay?
No, come here, baby girl.
No.
Cool.
Stay in this clean water so she can drink it too.
I think it's not.
Kayla's like, I want to go in.
Easy.
Oh, booby doggy. Can I take it out after?
That's fine.
Ah, Kayla, stop. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you can take it out if you want it to come out. Just put it right on the ground though. Yeah, she was all done with that.
Yeah, Kayla got in, so, and now it's like, no.
Her true puppiness is coming out. Bouncing around and playing with the ball that we got her. Get it!
Come get it.
You gotta roll it to her too so she knows that she can get it. Oh, and now the cameras came out. Oh, there she goes. Come on.
Get it. Get the ball.
What is she doing? What are you doing?
I think she's eating grass.
Get it! Angel, get it!
She's eating grass.
No, she's like, I want this grass. As soon as the camera comes out, she stops bouncing around and playing.
That's when you do a secret.
Secret pause.
Whoa, look at that. What is she doing?
Get it. Get it, girl. I can't get
She
it.
scares herself when she's old.
You want it? You want it? Come on. Yeah, there. I want to do that. It's one of these elastics. You have a chunk of grass in your mouth. Spit it out. Spit it out. Spit that out. Oh, no, stop it. No. That's a true Rex right there. That is a Rex right there. I guess
We're gonna try with Jared meeting the new one. Yeah. Jared, come here. Jared's like, nope. He wants to go back to his dad.
No, you guys don't want to be in the sun. And then you fall over.
What you doing?
It's the next morning. She's so happy. Hey, girly girl.
Hey, go doggy. Hey, go doggy.
Angel.
Green.
Angel.
I'm doggy. Doggy.
Oh, you okay, girly?
Yeah, easy, honey. Got a piece of gas in her mouth.
Come on, doggy. Come on.
Good girl. Can you sit? Good girl, Paw. Thank you. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Can I have your paw? Thank you. Thank you. Hey. Thank you.
Doggy don't want to let go of a toy.
Right,
No.
give her her toy.
Ugh.
Kayla, can you please give her her toy?
She's just letting it go upstairs, guys. Slowly doing it.
Come on. Come on, doggy.
Like, and I'll just weave up and down because I smell some.
Well, guys, we're brushing her hair and she fell asleep just like this. She's peaceful sleeping. Alright, guys, this is like the third day with the pups. And I believe we gave her the name Angel.
Yeah, we've been calling her Angel and she likes it.
Just because she reminds me of my old boy Rex. And like I've been saying, that Rex has sent us an angel. So I'm sticking with the name Angel for that reason. But other than that, guys, definitely subscribe, leave a like. We're going to do a lot of updates on Angel, so you can check it out on our channel. We're going to start doing training with her and obedience and stuff like that. So definitely follow, guys. Alright, see ya.